The manufacture of blanks for DVDs is an extremely precise process. Like the manufacture of the Isosport ski blades that world-class skiers use to compete on the slopes, this is another high-tech field in which it is critical to keep the cooling cycle stable. Just as at Isosport, the company 3Amedia was unable to get the materials to do everything they needed to do. But despite the experience at Isosport, 3Amedia was initially extremely skeptical. Meanwhile, they have a year's worth of experience and are happy to talk about the surprising results.
A recordable DVD has a continuous groove from the inside out, similar to that of a record, but with a length of almost 4.5 kilometers and a height of only 160 nanometers. That is extremely small, and the tolerance is only 3 nanometers. So the most important thing is simply to have perfect cooling water. Initially, we had very serious production problems because of algae in the cooling water. We tried to solve it with inhibitors, heavy metal additives, and so on, but it didn't work. It didn't improve the water quality. Then we installed a grander system, and since then we haven't had any more problems. It has been a very big change for the better. For the past year, we haven't had to change the water in our closed system. The water is almost good enough to drink. It probably is. We check it every week, and it is crystal clear. We no longer have any production problems with blocked-up filters. We never even have to change them. The cooling water has become irrelevant to the production process. Before that, when anything went wrong, when anything didn't work or was giving us trouble, we always knew we had to check the cooling water first, before anything else. Something must be wrong with the cooling water. So you can really say that since we started using grander water, we've been saving money and time, and the cooling water is no longer a factor that we have to worry about.
The use of grander technology in industry is still in its infancy, but it looks very promising.